Good afternoon, everyone. This is your girl, Eating with Food for Thought Roberts. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscription button, that notification bell, comment, like, share this video out with others. And when you hit that notification bell, it lets you know every time I upload a video. Come on over here and check me out, see what your girl is doing over here. Because I'm doing some stuff. You know, I'm not doing the same thing. I'm doing different things. So come on over here and check me out. I just made some deli sub sandwiches at home, not going out spending $10, $15 on a sandwich when I can make that same sandwich at home. Everything I need is right in my refrigerator or my freezer or my cabinets. So we got it made, and I'm going to show you how I made these sandwiches. So stick with me until the end. It's approximately 10 minutes or so. But anyway, give or take a few. But remember, subscribe, and I'll see you in a minute. Good afternoon, everyone. This is your girl, Eating with Food for Thought Roberts, and today I am going to be making homemade deli sandwiches. You don't always have to go to the deli and spend $10 on a sandwich. Go to the deli, buy you $10 worth of meat, and feed your whole family. I'm going to make deli rolls, and the type of meat I'm using, I have ham off the bone, premium roast beef, and turkey. I have all my condiments ready. Mayonnaise, mustard, olives, pickles, pepperoncinis, and oil dressing. And what I'm going to do first, things I'm going to do, is I'm going to toast these buns. I like to always toast my buns. I put the mayonnaise on the buns and I put them on the grill. And I just let them grill up for a few minutes so they can get nice and soft and toasty, and they make your sandwiches taste so much better. I don't use butter, I use mayonnaise to do this. So I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do. Okay, the first thing we're going to do, I just split the buns in half. I'm going to put some mayonnaise on here. This really brings out the flavor of the bread. Now I'm using like a hamburger bun style, and all that noise you hear out there, that's the workers doing my backyard room addition, my backyard makeover, my room addition. They're out there getting it in, and I'm in here getting it in, making them lunch. Lunch on me today. That's it. Now we're going to take it to the grill. Just put them on the grill. I got the grill nice and hot. And we're just going to let these toast up. The buns are just about ready. This is what it should look like. Yep, that's good enough. I'll leave this on because I gotta make two more. Perfect. This is how I put these together. So what I did was I put some mayonnaise and mustard in a jar. Just mix that up. Put a little on each bun. Spread it out. Okay, now let's add some lettuce. The key to making a good sandwich is making sure you have everything you need for that sandwich. Tomato, onions, not too many, everybody doesn't like onions, but these are red onions. Pickles, these are those bread butter pickle chips. Okay, pepperoncinis. Not too many, but just enough. Pepperoncinis just gives it more flavor, and it's not hot like jalapenos, but it's a good flavor. Now, the meat. This is turkey. Now I'm putting on roast beef. More roast beef. And ham. And I'm going to add a little bit more lettuce on the other side. Now we're going to add the oil. And that's it. That's it. Deli sandwiches at home. Homemade deli. I think I got the wrong bread. What did I just do? Oh, okay, I see what I did. Here is your homemade deli sandwiches. Quick, easy. This took me approximately 10 minutes. The biggest thing about making these sandwiches is prep time, and that's just bringing everything out, getting it ready to go, getting it ready to film. This is your girl, Eating with Food for Thought Roberts. Bon appetit. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so at this time. Hit that subscription button, hit that notification bell, comment, like, share. And when you hit the notification bell, it lets you know every time I upload a video, because it may be something that you would like to see. And don't forget, share this out, but subscribing is free. Until the next time, again, bon appetit. Don't forget to subscribe. Now let's eat.